I'm going to say one word and lose half of my audience. If you hear that word and you want to scroll, stick around just for a little bit and hear me out. You ready? Here's the word. Outline. This is 7-step novel prep. We're on step 4, which is outlining and beat sheets. For all of my pantsers out there, stick around because you don't have to outline before you start. The first thing on my list is outline as you go. As you have ideas, write it in the margins, write it at the bottom of your document. And when you get to that, then you can flesh it out. And you've done just a smidge of more unconscious or subconscious planning. There's also a school of thought that says outlining after you've drafted can help you in your revision process. And I found that was true with me. And by learning how to use the beat sheets on a completed draft, I started kind of internalizing them and then using them more subconsciously. Another thing that all authors can keep in mind as they're writing is that really satisfying ending mirrors the beginning in some way, shape, or form. Now, my pantsers, you may flee, and I'm going to talk to my planters and my planners. First, I'm going to talk about beat sheets. What's a beat sheet? Probably the most famous is Save the Cat, and it basically takes the major plot points of a story and turns them into beats that you need to hit at certain points in your story. Something like that. By adhering to a beat sheet, you can help yourself with pacing and with reader expectations. As more of a plantser, I focus on the tentpole events. And if I don't know exactly what that's going to be, I skip it and it'll come to me while I'm drafting. But a diehard planner can take those beat sheets and really block out what happens chapter by chapter, scene by scene. Another more loosey-goosey way of doing things is just to brainstorm ideas of what is going to happen in your novel. And you can then kind of put them into beats. Beginning, middle, end, and then think about, your climax and your midpoint and your catalyst and all that fun stuff. Happy writing.